When it comes to skills, we can master our skills by some practice. But when it comes to some specific skills, those are important, easy to learn and attractive at the same time. Those are not difficult if you put your heart in them. So here are some attractive skills to learn. 1. Cooking. Cooking is the process of preparing food through various techniques, such as heating, baking, frying, boiling, grilling, or steaming. It involves combining ingredients, applying heat, and using culinary skills to create delicious and nutritious meals. It is essential skill and very attractive skill. Men who can cook are more mature and attractive at the same time. Not everyone can cook good. If you learn to cook good, so you are more attractive and known in your friend group. 2. Driving. Driving is the act of operating a motor vehicle to transport oneself or others from one location to another. It is a fundamental skill that allows people to travel independently and efficiently. If you can drive cars and bikes more smoothly, so people find you as an attractive, mature and skilled person. So learn driving safely and securely. 3. Communication skills. Communication skills refer to the ability to effectively convey and receive information, ideas, thoughts, and emotions to and from others. It is a fundamental skill that plays a vital role in our personal and professional lives. Effective communication involves both verbal and nonverbal methods, such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. So work on your communication skills, that help you a lot. 4. Sense of humor. Sense of humor is all about making people laugh and putting a smile on their face. It automatically makes you more attractive and approachable. But also remember, do not do it in wrong way, like by making bad joke of someone and by trolling someone. Do it in right way so no one can get hurt. 5. Something that is not everyone doing. Your one skill must be different from other, like some people are doing it, not everyone. Like something that make you popular among the everyone. Master in that skill. You can try paragliding, cycling, biking, trekking, editing, etc. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for waiting. Bye, love you.